Have you ever wanted to be stinking rich millionaire? Have you ever wanted that supermodel figure? Have you ever wanted to be this successful person that everyone looks up to and is like in awe of? Hi, I'm Teja Priyadarshini, founder for Akashic Center for Healing, and today I have the most interesting topic for you. It is called quantum jumping. First of all, what is quantum jumping? Quantum jumping is when a quantum system transforms or transports itself abruptly from one quantum state to another. It can absorb energy and move to a higher frequency or a higher level, or it can lose energy and move to a lower frequency and a lower level. Why does this happen? Well, it is a state of mind and a state of being. Quantum physics has proven that there are multiple universes and multiple realities that we have access to. But how do we access these multiple realities? In all of these multiple realities, there is a version of ourselves that is either very successful, very rich, very powerful, very beautiful, very smart, very, all of those varies basically. But if you want to be that person who's extremely rich or be that version of you that's extremely fit, all you need to do is jump to that reality. This is called quantum jumping. And there are many people who speak about quantum jumping. There are people who've researched on quantum jumping, who've seen this happen, who've made this a reality. And it's almost like living in a state of magic. It is unbelievable sometimes, but once you start reorganizing your belief system, you will see that you are capable of so much more. There are people like Bert Goldman, there are people like Dr. Joe Dispenza, there is a lady called Cynthia Sue Larson, who's done extensive research on how you can change the body, the reality of your life through quantum healing, through quantum physics, through quantum jumping. You can take leaps into the future if you want. You can go to whichever reality you want to go to, depending on what you choose or which version of yourself you choose. How does this happen? Well, it's a very, very simple way of jumping from one reality to another. Once we understand that there are multiple universes and there are multiple realities on multiple timelines and there are different versions of yourselves out there, all you need to do is choose which version of you that you want to be and become that. As simple as that. Why do we need to do it? Well, we don't really need to do it. Because if you're happy the way you are in this lifetime and on this timeline, in this universe, you don't really have to change anything, do you? But for those of you who feel the need to change and become more successful or more fit or more healthier or whatever it is that you desire, all you need to do is use these different techniques of quantum jumping to get into that state where you can choose that version of you that is probably more successful, more rich, more healthier, and then just jump to that timeline and become that person and live that life. It is as simple as it sounds, but it again depends on how much you believe it and how much you believe it to work. Because magic, or what we call or think as magic, is nothing but science that is not yet discovered. And most of this has already been discovered by science, by quantum physicists, by all of these people who've been doing research for years and years and years, and the techniques have been getting even more fine-tuned over the years. How do you do this? Well, there are many techniques online, on YouTube especially, where they teach you how you can do quantum jumping using water, with 2 glasses of water, setting an intention, and then drinking that water to kind of jump from one reality to another. And this is shown step by step in many YouTube videos. This is called water alchemy or quantum jumping using water technique. There are other ways you can also jump, especially if you're into meditation and you have amazing skills at visualization, then you can achieve this reality very quickly, because once you are a person who meditates quite a bit, you can go into these quantum states and then choose whichever reality you want to be part of and then jump to that reality. And then there are other techniques which include hypnosis, which include simple guided meditations, and all of these can be found on YouTube. And if you attend my workshop on Friday the 11th of September at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time, you get to understand how you can do this in much more detail, and I will be telling you how you can choose that reality which will allow you to be super rich. Everybody wants money, right? So I'm going to be doing a quantum jumping workshop specifically to become more rich, or to become that version of you that is already very rich. And the details will be out very soon. The event link will be put up in the description of this video. You can check that out. But coming back to quantum jumping, this is something you can do on your own as well, if you know exactly how to train your mind to get into that state, which we call deep meditation state, which is either the alpha state or the gamma state. But if you go in a little more deeper into the theta level, that is when quantum jumping becomes so much more easier. But coming to the theta level is, you need a lot of practice for that. It's not impossible, but it needs a lot of practice. But you can also do quantum jumping from an alpha and gamma level. So go ahead, start visualizing, start meditating, and giving gratitude for the reality that you already know you have. Because the moment you doubt whether the jump has happened or not, everything starts to shift back. See, when we're living in a quantum universe, every particle is always constantly moving and it's in flux. So when you look at a particle, it automatically changes. This is called quantum entanglement, and I can go on and on about it, but not in this video. I want to keep this short. So if you want to know more about this, do my workshop on Friday the 11th of September, or you can research it for yourself on YouTube or on Google, because there are people like Cynthia Sue Larson, there's Bert Coleman, who've done extensive research on this. They have their own videos, they have their own programs which you can learn from, and this Dr. Joe Dispenza as well, who's an amazing person, who talks about how you can change your body using quantum healing. And all of these things are possible, and though they sound like some sci-fi version of Harry Potter, I'm telling you this is true. It does sound a little outlandish, but it is possible, and all you need to do is set your focus, set your mind on it, and it will happen. And if you want to know more, you know where to get in touch with me. You can get in touch with me on Facebook or on Instagram at Akashik Official. You can go to my website www.achofficial.com to get my phone number and other details, so that you can contact me directly over the phone. And I'm so excited about the workshop this Friday. So if you want more details, please click on the event link in the description, so that you will know exactly what's happening and how to register for it. And I'm gonna see you soon in another video coming up very soon. Till then, have a fantastic week. I hope you have an amazing, magical month, because September is supercharged, and I am feeling the energies very strong. Most of us around the world are like really energized with the energies of September. So yes, I'm hoping that you feel them too, and love you guys very much. I'm so grateful and honored to be part of your lives, and I'm going to see you very soon.